Hi, fourth graders. So this is going to be our first attempt at a screencastify video, which is just me recording in the corner like this, exactly what is on your screen and my screen. So this is the slideshow I created, and I'm going to keep it in this editing style instead of present, because when I clicked on present before, I had a little bit harder time writing on the slides. So today I'm going to introduce to you, when we have multisyllabic words or words with more than one syllable, the sound that our Y as a vowel makes. Okay, so we're going to start by reviewing. When we have a one syllable word, Y as a vowel makes the long I sound, I. Okay, and on the foundations chart over here, that bottom row, we have our keyword for this concept, okay? So we have Y, cry, I, okay? And that's our first word over here on the left, cry. And you see cry is a one-syllable word, and the Y makes that long I sound. So we could put a long vowel sound here, right? And this is an open syllable because it ends with a vowel, and that's why it's a long sound, okay? The same with the word fly, F-O-I. We hear a long vowel sound. So we have Y as our long vowel I, okay? We have another long Y with a long I sound at the word for the word try. Okay, so this is the review skill. We did this in the beginning of step 5, and I think that was like 2 or 3 lessons ago. I'm going to continue on to our next slide. Okay. Our new skill is Y as a vowel in multisyllabic words. And this is where we hear that long E sound. Okay, so again, on the bottom over here, we have Y baby E. So the Y as a vowel makes 2 different sounds, and it depends on how many syllables are in the word. So if the word has 1 syllable, we get that long I sound. If the word has 2 syllables, we get the long E sound. So the words this week all have that long E sound, and they're more than 1 syllable. So let's look at these words that I wrote for you, okay, and how I marked them up. Lazy. Lazy. So the reason that I knew that this was an open syllable is because I hear a long A here. Let's make that. That's a terrible maker. But we have a long A and we have a long E sound. So I have 2 open syllables. Lazy. Okay. Long vowels means that they're open syllables. The second example, I have the word copy. Here I have cop. This is a short vowel. God, that's even worse. So that's a short O, which tells me that that's a closed syllable. Okay, that P has to close it in order for us to have that short vowel sound. I don't know where my tools went. So and the last word is a name. And now I know sometimes names don't follow the rules, but in this sub-step, they do. So we have a, me. So here I have the long A sound, which tells me that this is an open syllable and the A is all by itself. And me is a Y as a vowel, but that gives us the long E sound. So these are all long E's. Okay, I have a long E sound because they're multisyllabic words. So the word Amy, the name Amy, has 2 open syllables because A is a long vowel sound, and then the Y at the end in the syllable me gives me a long E sound. Okay, so all of our words this week are going to have more than 1 syllable, and the Y is going to make the long E sound. Some of the words this week have a double consonant. So we double the consonant so that our first syllable can be a closed syllable. And some examples of that are bunny, lobby, and the name Timmy. You'll see a bunch more of those examples as you continue through the work this week. Our last slide just has a list of your words. Oh, nope, I didn't even include that. So I will separate that in the documents. All right, bye-bye.